Are you looking for the best chicken coops in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best chicken coops that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. JAXPY Wooden Bunny Coop. This multifunctional chicken coop also offers enough space for other species. The wooden construction also ensures the structural stability of this coop. Moreover, the metal mesh walls keep your pets breathable. On the other hand, this sturdy metal fencing deters predators from attacking. However, you can stop your birds from escaping. The pine wood also makes this hutch ultra durable. Furthermore, the galvanized wire structure never usually deforms. The slant sunlight panel comes with a UV and rain-resistant finish. Nevertheless, the windows of this hutch have see-through panels. Hence, these panels keep your pets a little privacy. The weatherproof asphalt roof keeps this coop stable for years. At number 4. Kinbor Wood Chicken Coop. The raised perch makes this chicken coop safe for your pets. Derived from fir wood, this coop also offers exceptional durability. Moreover, this bunny house offers room for bunnies, ducks, chickens, and rabbits. The steel mesh walls ensure the proper ventilation. Therefore, your pets stay cozy and breathable inside this cage. This hutch also offers exceptional resistance against environmental elements. Furthermore, the wire fencing successfully deters predators. Therefore, you can keep your pets safe outside of your home. The sliding bottom tray helps you to keep this cage clean and mess-free. However, the design of this hutch keeps pets warm during cold days. At number 3. Zuvilla Country-Style Chicken Coop. This country-style chicken coop comes with an oil-based stain finish. The asphalt roof panels also keep this cage safe from environmental elements. Moreover, this chicken house comes with the construction of hard-wearing wood. This birdcage consists of 2 big nesting boxes. However, the lockable doors let pets have easy access to their place. This hutch also provides enough space for 6 hens. This Canadian hemlock-style house gives a rustic look to your outdoor spaces. Furthermore, the detachable tray offers hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. This chicken hutch comes with lockable hinged nesting box roofs. Nevertheless, the mesh walls keep the air circulated through the bottom. At number 2. COZIWOW TwoTier Wooden Chicken Coop. This 2-tier chicken hutch involves the construction of weatherproof fir wood. The grid closure lets you monitor your pets closely. Moreover, this farmhouse-style coop makes your landscape or backyard look perfect. The slide bolt latches offer easy access to your pets. Nevertheless, the eco-friendly waterproof finish extends the life expectancy of this hutch. The galvanized steel mesh walls also assure the safety of your chickens. Furthermore, the predator-safe structure assures the safety of pets. This hutch comes with a sturdy beamed ramp. Nevertheless, the pull-out tray lets you keep the cage clean and mess-free. This coop comes with a sloping asphalt roof. At number 1. Ivytuven Wooden Chicken Coop. The beautiful chicken coop makes your yard look gorgeous. The UV-resistant panel also makes this piece suitable for outdoor spaces. Moreover, this nesting box involves the construction of natural wood. The eco-friendly painting promotes no damages to your pets. Nevertheless, this birdcage comes with a waterproof finish. The corrosion-resistant finish prolongs the lifespan of the coop. This birdcage also comes with an asphalt-derived roof. Furthermore, you can use this cage for your rabbits and other pets. This nesting box comes with a UV-resistant run panel. Hence, your pets can explore this cage freely. However, the round-edge perch keeps your pets safe. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.